Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's this. It's from a company called COMICA and it's an audio sound kit and it's everything in there that you need to plug into your phone or your action camera so you can get better sound quality from your recordings or from your live streaming if you're out and about, or if you're just making a video but you're using your phone or an action camera. This is everything in here that you may need to do that. So with that, I'll show you around the box before we do the unboxing. So basically it shows you a picture of what you're actually getting for your money, gives you some information on the back, tells you all about it, and even some information on the side. So what's it say on the side? Super cardinal, and that means it's directional. So you have to make sure the mic is facing you wherever you're talking. Mini and light, so it's not too heavy. Supports iOS and Android. Easy to install, hopefully. Flexible combination, and it's CNC processing. So basically been made by a machine. So yeah, it should be everything you need. So it's got an arm, it's got a clamp for clamping your phone, it's got a shock mount, it's got the mic itself, and it's even got, and it doesn't actually show you there, a windshield. Because I know it's got a windshield. I knew I'd see it somewhere, so picture up there. So yeah, everything you need for you to do your live recording. So with that, we do the unboxing. Oh, so it comes in a nice little bag by the looks of it. And what's something else in there? It's a little card. So move that out of the way. So it comes with a little card. COMICA audio microphones, authorised dealers. Okay, so dear Sir and Madam, thank you for your purchase. That's basically what that says. So let's move my keyboard out of the way. Right, I think it's a nice little bag by the way. So it's got their name on the front. Looking around it, looks very nice. Good idea to have it all packaged and protected. So yeah, nice little carry case. Let's unzip it and see what's inside. Right, so we have a fluffy one. Oh, actually, let me show you. Oh, some instructions here first, and a silicone gel. So move that out of the way. So wow, yeah, that's very nicely presented. See that? So yeah, fluffy one will probably just sit in there. It was just sitting on there. So what have you got here? You've got a warranty instructions. Yeah, so I'm not going to read that out to you. You know what they are. And then obviously we have the instructions themselves. So it's everything you need on that side, and it's repeated on the other side but in a different language, probably Chinese, I'm guessing. So move them out of the way, we're not going to read that yet. So we're just going to have a look at the products itself. So we've got the fluffy bit. And this goes over your mic, so if you're outside and it's a bit windy, you put this over your mic and it reduces the wind noise. So that's what that's for. So let's have a look at the arm. So here's the arm. So this is extendable, and it's a 1 1/4 inch screw, I believe. I read somewhere. So if you want to make it longer, you can just make it longer to extend it. So this is the arm that comes with it anyway, and it looks very nice. Nice little writing on the front. Yeah, very pleased. What else you got? We had the mount, so this is for your phone, and hopefully it will fit my phone because I have a 6-inch phone with a case on it to protect it. So hopefully it will go over there. If not, if it's like one of my other ones, I have to take the cover off. So look, when I'm doing my virtual reality things, I have to take all this covering off and then fit that inside. I can't use the cover on that because it's just too big. So we've done that. And the mic itself. So this will come off. So this is the mic. So directional means you've got to speak into that way, so it'll be like that. So no good doing it like that. You will hear yourself talk, but it will come out quieter. So you need to do it directional. And this is also the shocker mount. I'm not sure how good that's going to be, but any shock mount better than no shock mount. And that will fit somewhere on there. Oh, I see. So on here, you see that, it's got a little slot there, so that would slide into there somehow, like that. And I imagine just wind that down and clamp it down. So that's quite easy. And Right, the arm, well, obviously it goes on the bottom. So that just screws in there like so. So that's there. And what's that do? I've no idea what that does. That just loosens it up. So that just helps to tighten it up. So that's that. So then you've got to get your phone on there. And there's no way my phone's going to fit in there, look. So it should be adjustable. So I'm assuming you can adjust it on the top. Oh yes, you can. So you just wind that up. It's going to have to go a long way. Oh, a lot further yet. So it's going to take a little while. Like I said, this is the Nexus 6. So with the cover on to protect the phone. And it fits. Look at that baby. That goes in. I'll just tighten that down a bit to hold it. So yeah, so basically that's it. What else you got in here? I always put the cover back on. It doesn't look very nice without the cover. Oh, and the lead. So we have a jack plug connection. And basically that will go into there like so and plug into my headset socket. And if you don't have headset socket, I think on the ISOs you can get an adapter for your connections, and I do believe you can get adapters for Android phone, but my phone does have the right connection anyway. So that's it. So that's how it would look. Yeah, see that? And it holds my phone, and it holds it quite steadily, and it doesn't feel too heavy, which I was quite impressed with really. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to do a bit of recording on it and see what it sounds like. And the way we're going to do it is I'm going to unmount it off my phone for now. So just slide it off so that I can hold it away and prove that it is the mic working and not that. So I'm going to press record, like so. And as you can see, it's picking up my voice nice and clear. So I'm just going to tap this. See, as you can see, it works perfectly. And yeah, very pleased. Hopefully the sound quality would be excellent. Obviously if you put your mouth too close to the mic, it's going to go all distorted. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, as you can see on there. So you need to keep your mouth at a sensible distance. Obviously you can do it at arm's length. So if it's over there, it should still work. You might have to adjust the sensitivity slightly. But yeah, I think it's working fine. I'm going to have a listen to it now. Right, so I've had a listen to the recording and I thought it was excellent, nice and clear. You could hear what I was saying. I thought it was very good quality sound. And what do I think of it? Well, I think it was easy to set up. Obviously you might have to use third-party software like I did. So I use a thing called Easy Recorder, and I downloaded it from Android just to have a listen to the quality of sound. Thought the sound was excellent, and I hope you thought the sound was excellent. Easy to connect up. Make sure you plug the black one into the mic, the grey one into your phone, because it's different connection to that one for your recording. It's not too heavy, nice and light. It's easy to assemble. One of the best things about it is I have a very wide phone, and this can handle a very wide phone. I've got a Nexus 6, which is very wide anyway, and also I've got a cover over the top of it to protect it. And it goes on there perfectly, holds it on there fine. I don't feel as though it's going to fall off and break. Comes with a windshield, and even comes with a nice carry case as well, which when I take it all apart, I'm going to put it all back in there, and I think presentation's excellent. So is it worth £62? Yes, get the Yorkies thumbs up. I think it's worth £62. If you're looking for a microphone to connect to your phone or even to your camera, you can use this on a camera as well, a GoPro, something like that. Excellent. Everything you need to get started on your recording of sound. So you got your mic, your shock mount, your leads, your bracket, your mounting bracket, your handle, and you can extend the handle as well. So yeah, very good and lovely case, nice case. Very pleased with that. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.